Hello everyone, today we are going to be unboxing Moving Beyond the Pages High School 1 Language Arts Curriculum. This is everything you need to study English your freshman year of high school. Right on top you're going to see our catalog. You're also going to have a packing slip, and when you get your packing slip and you get your package, you need to check off everything, make sure it's all there, and then if you are a charter school family and you're needing access to your online curriculum, there is a code on there, which is your order number, to help you with that. You're going to receive 9 curriculum books. Each are about 2 to 5 weeks worth of work. Lord of the Flies, short stories, grammar, poetry, nonfiction, Ender's Game, grammar part 2, informational texts, and drama. Each of your units requires corresponding literature books, like The Only Grammar and Style Workbook You'll Ever Need, 100 Best Love Poems, Ender's Game, The Crossover, I Am Malala, Romeo and Juliet, A Long Way Gone, A Raisin in the Sun, Lord of the Flies, The Only Grammar Book You'll Ever Need, Outliers. You can explore all of our materials at movingbeyondthepage.com. If you have questions, please contact us at 979-314-9938 or info@movingbeyondthepage.com. Make sure you like and subscribe for more Moving Beyond the Page content, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest for information regarding education and Moving Beyond the Page updates.